Hello, ma'am. Good morning. So, as you say, you don't have to change your font size on your website. So, first of all, we need to go our main homepage, then click the where is the Elementor option. Okay, so I think you have installed a plugin 10 web builders. So this is the option you can see here, and if we need to change any kind of text like here and here, you can change of your mind. So first of all, we need to click the right button on our mouse, then edit price table, then we need to go our style. You can see content, style, then advanced. So style, because of we need to change the font style size. Then you can see the header option. You mean I mean mid-level, then the price option, you can see the pricing option, then features, you can see the features here, and last the footer option, you can see the footer option. So we need to styling our feature option text. So click and you can see the drop down menu here. And now if you need to change the color, you can change. You can see the color has been changed, so you can change of your mind, but I don't need to change, so I am selecting the exact color. Then typography, you can see the typography, and here you can change the text size. So click the rule button, you can see here, then you can see 16.4 the text size. So if I want to increase the font size, you can see 22 the font size will be increased, and more you can see increase, but I'm just showing you. But then you can align the center, then lift option. So this way you can change your text, and if you want to change the this option, I mean header option, you can change the header, then you can see title, then typography, same to same, just like the feature option style. And now if you want to any kind of yeah, that means text, you can change it, text editor. Then we need to go our style menu, then you can see the typography here the typography, line height, here line height. So I'm not changing, I'm just showing you. So text, then this option maybe text, yes, and then update now. So this way you can change any kind of font size and the color, background color. Thank you.